MeghalayaPost.news.
Ka Central Sil Board lambat ka National Youth Board mentah ka sengi kila penlong ya ka program berkerpang bersama ka jenang jentiap bahlor kumno ban kyntiew ka pynmih ya Muga Ryndia Youth Geotextiles ha Integrated Textile and Tourism Center ka badana ka senang maudiang nongpoh belawan ruban syemata syirham na nongrep na kalang gejela bat ka than syate lamingi kani ka program kal jingmyntoi bat ka jinghikai ka babun nongrep lang bakiri ustad ki belawan ban jinghikai kani ka sengi bandang kyntiew ka pynmih yoksai bat ki jan kat kum ka juksta bamenta ha kani ka sengi la sakhiru da ka jinge lang kiri pokmat nadu upi Siva Kumar Abhishek Kumar kakong MR Luan Director Ketenat Sericulture Dr. Naresh Babu joins keterlibat kiwai.
Sericulture refer to the process of silk production in a scientific manner. It is an agro-based cottage industry providing gainful employment and also serve as a great income augmenter and means of livelihood in the rural areas, especially women, and is integral to Meghalaya rich cultural heritage. Meghalaya boasts a rich culture of silkworm rearing, silk yarn production, and weaving of silk fabric in an elegant textile with its natural sheen and is rightly called as the queen of textile. There are three silk which we are having in Meghalaya: mulberry, airy, and Muga. Airy or Ryndia, which we call in our language culture, takes the place of pride and the recent GI tag recognition. It is tied to our heritage and culture and handed down from one generation to the next. Especially in Ryndia areas, Ryndia is one of the largest airy silk producers of India, associated with culture and tradition. In the district only produced around 210 metric ton of raw silk and 100 metric ton of fabric, only about 25 metric ton of yarn annually due to traditional and conventional method of yarn production. Our district is equipped with Muga farm, airy center, drainage, then mini spinning, training center. At present, the production of airy cocoon in the states is around 1,418 metric ton and yarn about 1,000 metric ton. And with the implementation of various schemes, especially from the Silk Board, this was made possible with the collaboration and coordination of CSB with Sil Samakra and aspirational district. Size. Tapi yo anak ni kabanginit kini apa syak kini resource hangi tidak berpikir lah berpengaruh kam haki jaga joki berkumno bidang lah ban kampen he yang kam dan joki tidak kayak bukan joki kan penting. Kisah penir kamu hakane berpilapan ya cikmat berpinang penting ya kamu joki.
Tourism Center is a unique model we have developed, and this model is going to make a big change in coming years in different states. And we can expect a good number of visitors to this centers in coming days. Mainly on 9th January, the big program is arranged near Jorabad, so we can expect that a lot of state officials from the different states they will visit to this center. So let me give a good example and good model to them. Related to the ïaka, the exhibitions come knowledge sharing for textile advantage. We are all doing our own activities, maybe agriculture or maybe handloom or handicraft or wool or jute. But something is missing is basically the coordination, so the connecting points. So this is an opportunity from the Ministry of Textiles, mainly our Secretary Madam, Nilam Shami Rao Madam, when she joined our ministry. Then she also felt that all are working sincerely, but all are working in isolations. So there is a need for integrations. So when we are integrating, this will become a big team. so we can give you a different type of result. So this ITT is itself a good permanent model for hectare. Because here we are having a sericulture, we are having a handloom, we are having a handicraft, and we are having a tourism component also. So this is a good model for a typical hectare, a permanent type of setup. And this, the objective of this event is that we are already doing our routine activities. So now we have to work it out that how to integrate our activities with the other verticals and how to develop the entrepreneur model. Because sericulture is not the new activities, but it cannot be permanently simply a government-centric beneficiary type of activities. So this is the time that we have to work it out how to move into an entrepreneur models. So where our young generations will take a lead to strengthen these sectors and to take this sector to the next level. On the first day of event, the type of airy silk product display, and again the fashion shows with mainly with the airy silk. So one of the exemplary content we have given from airy silk, because we know that silk means basically silk sarees. We never used to think about anything beyond silk sarees, but now mainly the Department of Sericulture or Handloom Textiles or Meghalaya, they proved it. There are a lot of product diversity, except sarees we can make it in silk. So they proved it mainly with the airy silk. Now this airy silk is not only an organic product, it's also an exemplary product for sustainable product. So now this is the time that we should work it out how to give a proper international market linkage to this product. It's not like that we will have a shop here, some tourists will come, they will buy some few numbers. So we should make an entrepreneur out of that. So we are already working on that, and we are also having an international sericulture commissions. Let me use all those international platforms. We'll make the airy silk be known to the whole world, and Meghalaya should play a major role in promotion of the airy product.
MeghalayaPost.news